Put in some Fat Fab seat brackets. Take out the stock ones.
Put in race car seats.
That's my back brace. For my Kirkey seat. The bolt to the roll bar. This is one of the sliders, I think, for it. Probably do something like that. So right now we just wanted to figure out how much the seat brackets, along with the seat and everything, weighed. Jumped on the scale and it came out to 19 pounds total for the bracket, the seat, and the seat cover. So pretty good savings. Look at the scale.
We're going to weigh the seat.
Mm-hmm.
There she goes. What do you think she weighs?
Should I weigh myself first? Let's see.
Okay. $218? What does that say?
219.2.
219.2, okay. 219.2.
Once I pulled out the passenger seat, I jumped on the scale to see what it weighed. These cloth seats come in at 50 pounds, so they're pretty hefty units.
And so do they fit in the exact holes,
Oh,
the
yeah.
stock?
That's why they're expensive as fuck.
Okay. You just swore on YouTube. But nonetheless, the brackets from Fat Fab fit the stock holes that are already there from the stock seats. That's cool.
Definitely look like a good lineup.
Okay.
Go get the seat.
So with the new seat, we lost how much pounds total?
31 pounds for the passenger's side.
Neat. Okay. In she goes. These aren't adjustable, so they have to be in the right spot, right?
Right. Okay, so let's start this thing. So at this time, I was just trying to fit up the seat brackets to get them to fit. It took a lot of trial and error, constantly taking them in and out, trying to get the position right. I'd go sit in the seat and see how it fit, and then did some more adjusting, and then you had to make sure it all lined up with the bolt holes in the car. So that took quite a bit, but we finally managed to get it to work. So we finished up installing the seats, and everything went pretty well. The only issues I really had was I only had half the hardware for the bracket, so I had to go to the store and go buy a bunch of nuts and bolts to bolt up the driver's seat. But for the most part, it turned out pretty well. A lot better than trying to fab up my own seat brackets to install these seats. So next step is do a little bit more data logging, and then we should see you at the racetrack. So like and subscribe.